one 12 volt. Okay, and then I have the this one is 4 ohms, this one is 4 ohms, and then this also, if I have this one 8 and this one is 4, okay, I have this one the voltage supply also same 12 volt. So in my question, I measure over here for the voltage. If I measure again over here, how much is over here?
You measure?
Yes, this point. If I measure over here, this one 3. This one is the power source, is 12. So how much is this one? How much is this one?
The same code.
This 12. This suppose 12. Okay. And then how about this one? Over here. How much?
V1 plus V2 is equal to 6.
6. How come? Because I make it simple one.
Share. 8, 4.
The voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. Correct?
Yes.
Is it? Is it? So here is 8. Yes, the current suppose same, right? If I make it this one, because this 12, so this the total resistance is 12. So the current suppose 1, because 12 divided by 12, so become 1. Because over here 8 4. Because this resistance 8, right? The current is 1, so we'll get 8 4. How about over here? The voltage will become 1 multiplied by 4. Is get? Is it? So the total over here will become this in series. Like if you have a batteries, the small batteries, AA or something, this one battery is 1.54. If you have 2 batteries, so it will become, in series, will become 3 4. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So almost the same. So from this thing, then you have to learn over here. Convert over here. So what is the meaning this open and close? When it's closed, when the switch is closed, how about the resistance? When this switch is closed, then you will measure the resistance. How much is the resistance? Right? Will be 0. Right?
Yeah.
If 0 multiplied by the current, any current is will be become 0. So over here, if you measure, it will become 0. Right? So from this basic thing, that you will, if you learn this one, this will be easily. Understand? So if a switch, okay, if open, then the resistance will be higher. If the resistance is higher, then it's been over here. If you measure this one, if this is open, so it will be measured 200 40 because this resistance will be higher than resistance over here, right? So that's the basic things that you have to learn. This regarding the electrical, because from this thing also, if you come to the industry, then they have the diagram. And you have yes. So many diagram for the system for the air conditioning and also the refrigeration. The same like a domestic refrigerator. For the new one, they have the electronic control. The order for the previous one, they have the timer, defrost timer. You know, right? The defrost timer and other things over there. Why is the fan is off? When the light is off? What is the effect from the door switch? If we open the door of the cabinet, what will happen? Is it the fan is off or the fan is on? Is it the light is on or the light is off? So you have to learn from the diagram first, right? If you learn from the diagram, then you will know. So this switch, what is the function of this switch? Why is if you open the door, the fan supposed off? Because if you open the door, the fan is on, then the cool air will become off. So that's why if you open the door, the fan suppose close, suppose off, but the light will be on because somebody need to access the cabinet and to take something or to put something. Yeah. The light suppose on, but when the door is closed, the light suppose off, the fan suppose on. That's the logical thinking. You know. Get the boy.
Yeah. And how can we help someone who you know what is right, but it's hard to explain.
Yeah, hard to explain.
Yeah.
So this how you can get the answer. Why is 2 why is 0 is from here. If the basic one you know this thing, then it's very easily to understand this thing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This the way how we can measure the voltage, because when you come to the split aircon, okay, there is a mode that you have to measure the voltage. Okay, so when you measure the voltage, make sure that you already understand this thing. Rather than if you don't understand this thing, then you will confuse again over there.
The current.
Yes, the current is just in series with the load. If you have the clamp, you just clamp it over here.
If you have the power,
Yes.
the current can find the resistance.
Yeah.
If you have the resistance, you don't have the power, you can calculate the current.
So from this basic formula, okay. And then next one is so if we measure the voltage, so the unit suppose on. So the unit suppose get the voltage. So then you can do the measurement. So I give you the sample over here. We have over there on the schematic. Then I have a compressor. And then we have a condenser. problem. The compressor is off, but the fan still on. So the compressor